Hi folks, just a little something different today. Digitally remastered version of a video that I know at least 500 of you haven't even seen yet. So I hope you enjoy. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Or welcome if you haven't been before. My name is Watto and I wander about. That's Kim. Say hello, Kim.
Hello, Kim.
She wanders about as well. We're doing something a little bit different today. Where are we, Kim?
We're at Tanglewood Wild Gardens.
May contain nuts.
Yep.
That's what it says on the thing. It is billed as Cornwall's #1 picnic garden, or garden for a picnic. So we're going to go and see what makes it so special. Yeah. Do you live there?
Yes.
Well, you've left your axe lying about.
Oh dear.
Well, there's a cake hut. Friday, Saturday, Sundays and bank holidays. Good job today's Friday. Probably. I think there's 4 ponds to walk around, which I'm just walking around one of them now. They've all got different names. I don't know what this one is. There's lots of little quirky things around everywhere, just to make you smile, which is something different. Place for a picnic. You don't mind sharing it with the locals. That's very peaceful. We have got here quite early. Well, I say early, around 10 o'clock, that's when it opens, so I don't think anybody else is here yet if the car park is to be judged. We've already met the owner. He's a lovely gentleman and will stand and talk to you, and he's very friendly, which is great. And the place is a lovely little visit so far. It's very quirky, lots of little different things to see. Right, looks like one of the gardeners has obviously got fed up. You got to look out for the locals. Surely I must be heir to the throne. Nope.
when you're walking around, you have to get your eyes open. There's all sorts of strange things. By you, behind you, in front of you.
So you talking about me?
Might be. Who knows?
Yeah. Not a massive fan of spiders. Not a fan of massive spiders. Any size spiders. Ugh. It's really easy to get, well, not lost, but to end up doubling back where you were. Which is part of the fun of it. We're just wandering around. It's good. Little paths leading off all over the place. Little quirky things everywhere. It's really good.
Well, legend has it that if you kiss a frog, it turns into a prince. So let's see.
You getting tired yet?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a bit of a tiring thing.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, you wait here. I'll go and get a chair and we'll have a sit.
Yeah.
See you in a minute.
Bye bye.
How's that?
Yeah, wonderful. Thank you.
They didn't have any smaller sizes. One tip when you're walking around, just keep your eye on the floor because there's some massive insects about. Oh, Kim, you've got duck dew on your shoes.
What's that do?
Quack! Another good feature, obviously, is the cake hut, which we're just going to go and try now. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. A light lunch. Or a not so light lunch. What more could you want? Oh, good. Alright, show off. Well, I think we'll leave you there. We're not going to show you all of it because we want you to come and visit these places if you're in the area. Look it up. Tanglewood Gardens, that's right, isn't it? I think their website says Tanglewood may contain nuts. Well, worth it. I think it was a cracking little visit. It's quirky, it's fun, it's peaceful. It's got everything really. It's only £5 to get in. What else are you going to do for £5? And the cake and coffee was
amazing.
That was the business.
Amazing cake.
Big shout out to the cake hut.
Yep.
Oh yes, don't forget the hot chocolate. All in all, really, really good. Really enjoyed it. So we hope you have. If you have, they know what to do, don't they?
Hit that like button.
Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye, Kim.
Bye bye, Kim.
Bye, Kim.